अच्छा देखिए, एक्सरसाइज नंबर 138 कहता है दी इनक्लोज्ड बिल, यानी जो बी ये हम इस तरह क्रॉस करते हैं तो ये बी का जो स्टॉक है ये हम बिल के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं। द इनक्लोज्ड बिल रिसीव्ड दिस मॉर्निंग with your shipments is returned because you have listed two items which have not been received. Full stop. Will you kindly send us your bill for only the items received and another bill for the remainder of the shipment when it is dispatched? Full stop. Yesterday we received your check in settlement of your December bill. Full stop. We did not notice when we forwarded it to our bill that the two amounts on the check did not agree. Full stop. One is for 39 pounds and the other is for 38 pounds, and our bill has just called our attention. ये जो टी हम क्रॉस करते हैं तो ये attention के लिए our attention to the error. Full stop. Your bill will not cash the check, of course, unless the amounts agree. Full stop. Maybe please have another check? Question mark. फिर कहता है gentlemen, we received this morning your check for 300 pounds and also your projected check for 200 pounds. This arrangement for the settlement of your account is satisfactory. We have also received your order, but in as much as the balance of 200 pounds will not be paid until a month hence. We do not think you should expect us to extend additional credit for another 125 pounds. The amount of your present order until the old date is fully paid. Full stop. We suggest, therefore, that you permit us to forward a draft for the 125 pounds to the National Bank and Trust Company of your city, covering the amount of this shipment. Very truly yours. Full stop. Gentlemen, if you don't need all the goods ordered now, why not let us send those items which you need for your immediate requirements? ये जो आर हम इस तरह क्रॉस करते हैं तो ये हम requirements के लिए लिखते हैं. And forward your check covering the amount of those items. We shall be very glad to give our immediate attention to any part of the order that you instruct us to send on this basis. And we hope that within a month or two, your account will be in such a condition that we can add further चार्जेस. ये जो चेक स्टॉक हम क्राफ्ट करते हैं तो ये चार्जेस के लिए कवरिंग फ्यूचर ऑर्डर्स. वेरी ट्रूली योर्स.